Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this look. This look is basically the look that I go to when I'm wearing a bold color unit. This is like my safe zone with makeup because you guys know I have to put on my makeup when I'm wearing my colored wigs. I feel like my colored wigs are very incomplete without my full face of makeup. You definitely don't have to wear makeup when you wear your colored wigs, but I feel like it makes it pop more and it makes it look more put together and just overall better. So this is the look that I like to do, and I did get requested to do this quite a few times. Like, they're like, what makeup do you wear when you are wearing your bold color units? So here it is, divas. This is what I do. It's super simple and easy, and I feel like this look can go with pretty much anything, so it doesn't even have to necessarily be a bold wig, but I feel like this is like, I don't know, I feel like this is a good look for color units. But anywho, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video.
Okay, divas, so jumping right in, I'm going to start off by priming the skin, and I'm going to use skincare. This is the L'Oreal Hydrogen moisturizer. Now, it's not like super oily or anything. That's why I like to use it. I use it as a primer as well as to hydrate my skin. So now I'm going to go in and do my eyebrows, and I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and this one is in ebony. I didn't want to fill them in too dark just because of the simple fact that the unit is fairly light, so I don't like to fill in my brows like too dark. It's all on personal preference, but for me, I just like to fill them in lightly, so I'm just going to take very light strokes and use the Brow Wiz to kind of like, you know, give myself some brows, because as you guys can see, my brows are very sparse. Next, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Brow Gel, and I'm just trying this out. They gave it to me for free at Sephora because I had points, and I really like it, so I like using this and incorporating it in my brow routine, especially when I use a pencil. Now I'm going to go in with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Chestnut, and I'm going to clean up the top and bottom brow, and then I'm going to blend that out. Moving on right into complexion, I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Mahogany, and I'm going to go in and color correct it. As you guys can see, it's like it has like an orangey warm undertone, and I really love this to just correct my skin and make my skin look flawless before I go ahead and apply the foundation. Now, the Too Faced foundation, which I'm going to use the Born This Way, has full coverage, so you don't necessarily have to do this, but I just like to do it just so that I have like that flawless finish. And I'm blending it out with a large foundation brush. Okay, so now it's time to move on to the foundation. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I'm using the shade Hazelnut. I really love this foundation. It's super full coverage, and it gives you like that very flawless skin-like finish. like so it's your skin but better. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out with an angled foundation brush by Eco Tools, and yeah, I'm just gonna blend that out. Highlight, I'm going to go in with another Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This one is in the shade Chestnut. I love this for a highlighter because it's not too bright and it doesn't give you too much lift, but it does just give you like the right amount. So it's like a more like a natural highlight, but I like it anyways because once I set it with the setting powder, it still looks, you know, it still looks bright and give me that little lift that I'm going for. But I'm also going to go ahead and blend that out with the large foundation brush. I'm going to go in and set all the areas that I highlighted, and I'm going to use the Beauty Bakery flour powder. Sorry, sometimes it's hard for me to talk, but flour powder. And I believe this is in yellow, the yellow one. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply the powder and set all of that stuff in place because you guys know it's hot, so I definitely have to set it in place, especially in my T-zone area because that's the areas where I am oily. Now I'm going to go in with contour. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Tan Tour, and this one is in the shade Tan, and I'm just going to apply that all the places that I like to contour, and then I'm going to blend it out with a large brush by, who is that by? BH Cosmetics. And to apply it, I'm using the Black Radiance brush. I absolutely love this brush, so nice. But yeah, I'm just going to blend that out. To set my contour, I'm going to use this MAC blush. It's in Film Noir. I know the top is missing and it looks all raggedy, but I absolutely love this powder. It's been through a lot. I take it with me when I travel or just like I use it all the time, so that's why it looks so raggedy. I know I need to get a new one, but I just love it, so I'm going to use it until it's used up. But yeah, I'm just going to take that to go ahead and set all the areas where I did contour. Set my face, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Setting Spray. Highlight, I'm going to go in with the Amrezy highlight by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Lashes, I am going in with these Shop the Yellow Label lashes. They are the 25mm lashes in the style Stormy. And then I'm going to go in with this NYX um, mascara. I forgot which one that is, but yeah, it's one of their new mascaras. So I'm just going in with that, and it's in the color black, of course. And I'm going to apply 2 coats of that to my bottom lashes. Moving on to lips, I'm going to use MAC Chestnut to go ahead and line my lips. And then for my lipstick, I'm going to use Anastasia's lipstick. It's their liquid lipstick in the shade Stripped. And I just felt like that lip would go perfect with this because it's like a cool tone nude type of shade. So yeah, that's how I'm going in with that one. Once my lipstick is on, that completes my entire look.
Okay, Diva, so this is pretty much my go-to for color wigs. I know it wasn't much to it, but this is the makeup that I like to go to. You can always switch out the lip depending on like what color the hair is. If I have like a cool color hair, like this is a ash pink color. This is actually a new limited edition unit by Bobbi Boss, and it's in the color RT Ash Pink. So usually if I have something like this, I would normally like go with like a cooler tone lip. That's why I went with this cool tone type of nude lip. That's just what I like to do. I like to kind of match up, and I'm sorry I keep looking at the monitor over there, but I just like to kind of match up like the undertones with the hair and my lipstick. So that's how I determine it. You could wear whatever color you want. Like you could wear a red lip with this and that would definitely be popping as well. Or it just depends on your mood. I am most comfortable with nudes, and I feel like this whole look is like a very safe look for hair because sometimes you don't want too much going on. Especially when you have on like a colored wig. Like for me, I personally will want this wig to be the center of attention for this look. So yeah, this is the makeup look that I would do. But hopefully you guys found this video very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous girls and know what you guys think of this look. Let me know if you think it's super easy, or would you do this look, or is this the look that you do as well for your everyday or to pair with your colored units. And also be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And also hit that notification bell, girl, because I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.